a very important topic, kinetic energy and potential energy. Here is one of the simple pendulum. You can see it. A bob is connected with the thread. One complete oscillation. A position से B position, then B to again A and again to C position and C to again A. It is known as one complete oscillation. At this point, at the mean position, it is known as mean position, and these two at the end positions are known as extreme position. At the mean position, we have potential energy equal to 0 and kinetic energy is maximum. And at the point B, we have maximum potential energy and minimum kinetic energy. Same is the case with point C, which is at the extreme position, because it is having an height, but it is not having the velocity. So, due to less velocity, because when it comes back, the restore energy only takes it to the back position at the A. The minimum energy, velocity will give you the kinetic energy. So, the kinetic energy is very less at the extreme position, and but the maximum potential energy, because they are at the height. These two extreme positions have maximum potential energy, but at the mean position पोटेंशियल एनर्जी सबसे कम होता है और काइनेटिक एनर्जी सबसे ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तुम्हें देना होगा वेलोसिटी सो दैट इट कैन रीच अप टू द एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन एट द बी. And how we can draw the graphical representation? It is through the simple pendulum के थ्रू से हम लोगों ने ये समझा कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी कहाँ पे ज्यादा होगा, कहाँ पे कम होगा, काइनेटिक एनर्जी और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. और दोनों की जब ग्राफ समराइज्ड वे में हम जब बनाते हैं तो वो ग्राफ कैसा दिखता है, काइंडली सी इट. ये एनर्जी, टोटल एनर्जी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विथ E. E is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, which will be constant. E is equal to K plus U. U represents the potential energy and K represents the kinetic energy and E represents the total energy. And this line is representing U is equal to mgh. Potential energy. This line is representing potential energy, and this line from the above is representing kinetic energy. This is energy at the y-axis, and at the x-axis we are having height which is taken from the ground.